Looking for the best car mount for your Galaxy Z Flip 8 in 2026? You're in the right place. A good car mount can keep your phone secure, easy to see, and convenient to use while driving. In this video, we'll look at the 5 best car mounts for the Galaxy Z Flip 8, focusing on important features like stability, adjustability, easy installation, and everyday usability. So, let's get started and find the right car mount for your needs. Number 5. Designed to provide a secure, eye-level viewing angle without obstructing your road view, the 360-degree rotation dashboard phone holder is a versatile mount that clips directly onto the curved lip of your car's dashboard, sun visor, or rear-view mirror. Its core features include an ultra-flexible 360-degree rotating ball joint, non-slip silicone pads, and a high-tension, adjustable spring clip designed for quick, one-handed phone mounting and removal. Built primarily from impact-resistant ABS plastic and reinforced steel springs, the build quality feels durable for its budget price point, though the spring tension can feel somewhat stiff out of the box. In real-world driving scenarios, the mount performs admirably. Its anti-slip rubber grips clamp tightly to dashboard overhangs, keeping smartphones, from slim iPhones to larger Samsung devices with thick cases, remarkably steady across speed bumps, sharp turns, and rough terrain without leaving adhesive residue. Compared to traditional suction cup mounts, which frequently lose adhesion in high heat, or air vent clips that wobble under heavy phones and block airflow, this spring clip design provides a much more stable and cooling-friendly platform. Ease of use is a standout attribute. Dropping your phone into the cradle or switching between portrait GPS navigation and landscape viewing requires minimal effort. Its unique, direct line-of-sight positioning keeps essential navigation details right in your natural field of view, drastically reducing distracted driving. Considering its low price point, typically under $15, it offers exceptional value for money by delivering the reliability of high-end mounts without requiring sticky pads or permanent modifications. Overall, this phone mount is ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and road trippers who want a tool-free, highly adjustable, and wobble-free solution that prioritizes driving safety. I would highly recommend it to anyone seeking a simple, budget-friendly car mount that keeps their phone secure and effortlessly accessible on every drive. Number 4. Designed specifically to address the unique weight and form factor challenges of foldable smartphones, the Z Fold 7 car mount, car vent phone holder, is engineered to securely support wide devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold series, Google Pixel Fold, and large traditional smartphones ranging from 4.7 to 8.3. Its primary purpose is to deliver a stable, eye-level mounting platform without placing excess strain on delicate phone hinges or blocking essential vehicle climate control vents. Key features include an extended 360-degree rotatable vent hook that bypasses air slats, non-marking silicone-lined clamp arms, a bottom cutout for convenient charging cables, and an effortless push-button clamping mechanism designed for seamless one-handed operation. Constructed from durable ABS plastic and reinforced metal components, the build quality feels remarkably sturdy, holding unfolded heavy devices steadily across speed bumps and sudden stops without wobble. In real-world driving scenarios, the mount excels where standard gravity clamp mounts fail. Generic gravity holders typically rely on a narrow base that pinches standard phones, making them completely incompatible with unfolded square tablet-like screens. Compared to basic magnetic vent mounts, which often require sticking ugly metal plates directly to expensive glass backs or interfere with wireless charging, this mechanical spring clamp offers a safer, more reliable grip without permanent modifications. Ease of use is a highlight. Inserting and securing a wide device takes only seconds, and the extended arm allows driver-centric positioning without trapping heat or cold air against the phone's battery. Priced competitively around $25 to $35, it provides exceptional value for money by eliminating the need for expensive custom dashboard rigs. Overall, drivers of foldable phones, large phablets, or iPad minis who rely heavily on split-screen navigation will benefit immensely from this mount, and I highly recommend it as a practical, high-value upgrade for any modern tech enthusiast on the road. Number 3. Designed to provide a safe, customizable, and hands-free driving experience, the iOttie Easy One-Touch Signature Air Vent and Flush Mount Combo is a highly versatile universal phone holder that gives drivers two distinct installation methods in a single package. Its primary purpose is to keep smartphones, ranging from compact devices to larger models like iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, and Google Pixels, firmly at eye level for effortless GPS navigation and hands-free calling. At the core of its key features is iOttie's patented Easy One-Touch mechanism, which automatically snaps self-centering sidearms around your smartphone the instant its back triggers the central pad. The combo design includes both a twist-locking air vent clip with rubberized prongs and a support foot, as well as an adhesive flush mount ideal for flat dashboard surfaces. This is complemented by a 360-degree rotating ball joint for smooth angle adjustments and a sliding bottom foot that preserves open access to charging ports. In real-world driving scenarios, the mount performs exceptionally well. Its high-grade ABS plastic construction and heavy-duty internal springs eliminate annoying rattling and absorb vibrations, keeping heavy phones locked steady across potholes, sharp turns, and bumpy highways. The build quality feels sturdy and premium, promising long-term durability that easily outlasts cheaper, flimsy plastic alternatives. Ease of use is unmatched, allowing drivers to dock or release their device in under a second using simple one-handed pressure. Compared to popular competitors like standard magnetic vent mounts, such as those from Scotia or Anker, the iOttie holds a clear edge. Magnetic options often require sticking metal plates to your phone, which can block Qi wireless charging and slip under heavy cases, whereas iOttie's mechanical clamp provides zero interference, rock-solid security for any case style. Priced around $20 to $25, it offers outstanding value for money by providing two mounting options in one durable package. Overall, daily commuters, rideshare drivers, and highway travelers looking for a flexible, reliable, and distraction-free setup will benefit enormously from this holder, and I strongly recommend it as a top-tier automotive accessory. Number 2. Designed to deliver a versatile, hands-free mounting solution across a wide array of smooth surfaces, the Jikasho vacuum magnetic car phone holder combines a powerful rotary vacuum lock mechanism with strong MagSafe magnetic alignment. Its primary purpose is to provide a reliable, tool-free mounting platform not only for car dashboards, mirrors, and windshields, but also for non-automotive environments like gym equipment, office desks, and bathroom tiles. Key features include a dual-ring array of 24 N52 magnets, a 4-layer washable nanogel base that restores grip when rinsed, and a triple-axis adjustment system featuring 360-degree rotation, 180-degree tilt, and zinc alloy hinges. Constructed from high-grade metallic finish polycarbonate, durable TPU, and heavy-duty zinc hinges rated for thousands of adjustments, the overall build quality feels remarkably premium and solid. In real-world scenarios, the mount performs brilliantly on glossy, non-porous surfaces. Once you press down the base and twist the vacuum lock, it creates a rock-solid seal that refuses to budge across bumpy roads or rapid gym workouts, while the magnetic array keeps even heavier iPhones and Android devices, via the included metal ring, securely locked in place. Ease of use is exceptional. Attaching or detaching your phone takes less than a second without messing with physical clamp arms, compared to standard sticky pad dash mounts like those from Scotia or iOttie, which rely on semi-permanent 3M adhesives that leave residue or lose stickiness over time. The Jikasho's vacuum-assisted nanogel design allows seamless, mess-free transfers from your vehicle's windshield directly to a gym mirror. Priced competitively around $15 to $25, it offers outstanding value for money by acting as a multi-purpose phone stand rather than a single-use car accessory. Overall, tech enthusiasts, content creators, gym goers, and daily drivers who value portable, high-strength magnetic mounting without permanent adhesive mess will benefit enormously from this product, and I highly recommend it as a clever, multifunctional upgrade. Number 1. Designed to offer a robust, hands-free mounting platform across windshields, dashboards, and smooth, non-automotive surfaces, the SOH Magnetic Suction Cup car phone mount combines heavy-duty vacuum suction security with rapid magnetic alignment. Its primary purpose is to hold smartphones steadily at eye level for safe GPS navigation, hands-free calling, and mobile video recording, without blocking the driver's forward view. Key features include a sticky, washable nanogel suction cup base, a multi-axis articulated support arm featuring dual 360-degree ball joints, and an array of strong magnets designed for MagSafe-enabled devices and standard smartphones equipped with metal rings. Constructed from aviation-grade aluminum metal alloy combined with high-impact ABS plastic, the overall build quality feels exceptionally durable and premium for its affordable price point. In real-world driving scenarios, the mount delivers commendable performance. Its reinforced vacuum lock suction pad clamps down tightly onto glass windshields and smooth dashboard surfaces, effortlessly enduring sharp cornering, sudden braking, and bumpy road conditions without losing seal or vibrating excessively. The unique multi-ball joint design stands out by providing maximum position adjustment flexibility, allowing drivers to orient their device seamlessly between portrait, landscape, or angled modes. Ease of use is outstanding. Docking or detaching an iPhone or magnetic-cased Android takes under a single second with one hand, completely eliminating the hassle of adjusting mechanical spring arms. Compared to traditional mechanical clamp mounts, such as those from iOttie or Jikasho, the SOH mount offers a significantly cleaner profile and faster one-handed operation. Though standard mechanical arm clamps may accommodate ultra-thick wallet cases slightly better without requiring extra metal ring plates. Priced competitively in the budget to mid-range accessory market, it provides exceptional value for money by delivering metal-reinforced construction and multi-surface versatility typically reserved for premium brands. Overall, daily commuters, rideshare operators, and mobile content creators seeking a multifunctional mount for their vehicle or home setup will benefit immensely from this product, and I highly recommend it as a stable, convenient, and cost-effective mounting solution. So, those were the 5 best car mounts for the Galaxy Z Flip 8 in 2026. Each option has its own strengths, so the best choice depends on what you need, whether it's strong grip, easy installation, flexible viewing angles, or a compact design. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect car mount for your Galaxy Z Flip 8. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite pick in the comments.